We're at the Wiley Nash Wastewater Facility, where they have recently gone through the growing pains of rapid population growth, driving the need for plant expansions. My focus was on the dewatering here. They previously had 3 belt presses, required the operators to work quite a bit of overtime and long shifts. We have 3 CS21-4HC units. They have a capacity of 225 gallons per minute per unit. Compare that with the 3 belt presses in the same footprint, we're only achieving 150 GPM total. We have the system set up to be fully ran without any operator involvement. They simply hit auto start, and then you have independent sludge feed pumps per centrifuge. From the conveying system that the centrifuges discharge into, we have 2 conveyor trains that allow you to load in either direction and either truck. The system is set up using level sensors to automatically load the trucks fully and transition to loading the second truck without any need for an operator to be present.
Our OpEx costs are a third or a quarter of any other centrifuge on the market. We maintain over $30 million worth of stock parts at any given moment, and we guarantee no more than a 2 business day turnaround from a lead time to get parts out to the site. We're the only company that can offer repairs that average around 6 to 8 weeks. So all of that combined together allows us to give a massive cost benefit to the customer. One thing that I've always made a commitment to the marketplace of the products that I represent is that we're going to have the capability to mechanically and electrically troubleshoot everything that we sell. The cost of maintaining the Centrisys unit versus the cost of maintaining a standard electric backdrive type of a system is somewhere in the range of 25 to 30% of the overall cost.
Redundancy, reliability, and affordability were all what was the driving factors in Centrisys and Atara being selected for this design. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time for any of your dewatering needs.